Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use voice typing feature on your keyboard on Realme 16 Pro 5G. So let us start. So just open your keyboard first and then tap on this gear or keyboard settings icon. It will open your keyboard settings, and also guys, you can open your keyboard settings by using another method. So let me show you. Okay. So just open your settings app and then scroll down to system and update and then tap on it and then tap on input method and then tap on manage keyboards and then you have to tap on Gboard because this is the default keyboard on this phone. Okay, so let me tap on it. Now we have keyboard settings opened. After that, just tap on voice typing. Now we need to enable use voice typing. So to enable it, just tap on this toggle button. Let me tap on it and you can see it's now enabled. Now to use voice typing, just open your keyboard. You can see it's now opened and then tap on microphone icon. Accept the permission. Hey, how are you? You can see it's working fine. Okay, so that's it. Please like, comment and subscribe for more videos.